Students, in the last class we had stopped up to the modes of transferring heat, that is conduction, convection, radiation. Conduction mostly take place in solids and convection take place in fluids. In conduction, the solid from the hotter part to the colder part, the heat is transferred. And in fluids like liquids or gases, the hotter part goes up and the cooler part comes down. So like that, a cyclic manner, the heat is transferred. So that is convection. In radiation, it doesn't need any medium. Only from the source of heat, the heat energy is transferred to the other objects. So these three modes of transfer of heat we discussed in the last class. In this, the sun is the natural source of light and heat. The daytime, full daytime, we are getting the heat and light from the sun. And we know sun is in the space. In space there is no any medium. Only nearby our earth the air is covering. So without any medium, the sun's heat is traveling lakhs and lakhs of kilometers and reaches our earth, because the energy of sun's heat is very greater. So it can travel lakhs and lakhs of kilometers. But most of other hot objects, the capacity, according to the capacity of the heat, they will radiate the heat from them. You may experience while going, when you are in the kitchen, if the hot cooker, if you are going aside, otherwise nearby that, you can feel the heat. Sometimes in functions, there will be what? Bigger ovens and stoves are used, means more wood or burn to cook more food. So on that time, even we cannot go nearby the room, because that heat is containing that much energy. So it radiates the hotness that much. But all hot objects radiates the energy. And this radiated heat will fall on the nearby object, and it will be some part of the heat will be reflected. So only our elders, otherwise in your house your mother or father, anyone will advise, while going to the hot summer, otherwise hot sunny days, going out, at least you keep your umbrella, otherwise cap on your head, because the sun's heat will fall on our body. The body reflects some amount of heat out, but it absorbs some amount of heat. So only we are feeling hot, otherwise when we are touching our head, we feel very hot while going out in the sunny noons. Okay. And one more interesting phenomena we are going to discuss now. I know most of you are living in the coastal area. The people who are living in the coastal area experience this phenomenon. Nothing but the wind blowing from sea towards the land and wind blowing from the land towards the sea. The both will happen. How it is happening? We know the daytime, the land, it is a solid compared to the sea. Sea is a liquid medium. It absorbs the sun's heat and get hot quickly. But the water medium, it absorbs the sun's heat very slowly and get hot also very slowly.